A French scientist became famous when he saved the French wine industry. Industry is how to say. Industry. He told the French winemakers in 1864 to heat the grape juice to 74 degrees C. Pasteur said 74 degrees C was hot enough to kill the bad germs. Pasteur. People thought that believing in little creatures too small to see was madness. Then it worked, so he became famous. His name was Louis Pasteur. Louis. Now milk, wine, beer, and lots of other foods are pasteurized. Pasteurized. That's great. His name, Pasteur, became something that happens to all of your milk, wine, beer, and lots of others. Well, okay, so you can get milk that's unpasteurized, but it's really difficult to get hold of, and it's full of germs, possibly harmful. By saving the French wine industry, Pasteur made germ theory famous. Yes, it's still called a theory. A theory is an idea that could have been proved thousands of times by thousands of different scientists. Yeah, germs, it's definitely what happens. And yeah, you shouldn't take a theory being something that doesn't happen. It's what happens. A theory is an idea. Just like evolution. It's an idea that's been tested thousands of times. If another idea comes along that's better and can be tested 1,010 times, then your idea will take over. When scientists have thousands of observations that prove the theory and none against it, the theory is proven. Pasteur could see the germs in his microscope. They stopped moving when he pasteurized them at 74 degrees C. A German scientist proved that germs cause diseases by growing colonies. Colonies. Yes, one germ, one fungus, a bacteria, or a protozoa. Not a problem. But it's colonies. When they're in there, thousands and millions, that's when you get trouble. He was Robert Koch. Koch grew his colonies until there were millions of bacteria. He could then see the bacteria in his microscope. He was the first to discover that colonies grow best at 37 degrees C. Yeah, the same temperature you use for your body is the temperature for most living organisms. On the stuff used to make jelly, called gelatin. Gelatin. Koch discovered anthrax bacteria. Anthrax. Then he discovered cholera bacteria. Then he discovered tuberculosis bacteria. Tuberculosis. Yeah, guy did good. Koch helped cure 3 killer diseases. There are 3 bacteria-shaped rods called bacillus. There are 3 bacteria shapes. Oops. Semicolon. Editing. Rods called bacilli. Spheres called Kochi. Spirals called spirilla. Ooh. Oh, milk, wine, and beer are all pasteurized. By heating them to 74 degrees C. Pasteurizing kills the germs called bacteria and fungi. Yeah, 74 degrees C will kill most living organisms. Fungi. Yeah, bacteria make things go rotten. Fungi make things go mouldy. Germs are too small to see. When you use too small to see when you use a microscope or to grow. Germs are too small to see. Full stop. You use a microscope or grow colonies of billions on gelatin. Yes, you have to put, mixed in with the jelly stuff, you have to put some food. Marmite is particularly a favourite. Bacteria come in 3 shapes. Rods are called bacilli. Spheres, ball shapes, are called cocci, and spirals are called spirilla. Cool. Write your name at the top of this page and tick the box. Hey, cool. Press my picture to get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe. Bye.